control. Alright, so we just installed this piggyback chip system from Chipwerks on this S4. Install was actually really easy. Basically, you just hook it up to the two map sensors. Here's one here. Here's one here. And we just zip tied it around the back. And you just let the module sit in the engine bay. Alright, let's go test it out, boys.
Let's do it.
Alright.
Chipwerke seems to be working.
So I think now the car's pushing about 400, 420, 430 horsepower. And yeah, there's a definite fucking difference. Holy shit, man. Yeah. Say that again?
It hauls ass.
Yo, let's see if we could get the back end to come out.
Yeah.
But just floor it now.
Should I do it?
No. Fuck. Launch control. Dude, that's getting pulled hard. Holy shit, man. That
Dude, it's
fucking...
fucked. When you hit like 80, the car even picks up more.
Yeah, it actually pulls way harder everywhere. Yo, I don't know what fucking happened, but it started... No, yeah, everything looks good. Looks good. Alright, so we're successful.
Good job, boys.
We didn't completely fail at something.